Hi everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. On this video today, we are going to start on making another repair section. This repair section is going to be this section here for this guard here. So we're going to probably bring it up along here and then cut it down to about here and make that section there. So anyway, so that's what's going to happen, and we'll probably see if we get along and make the rest of that back bit, and then we'll weld it together. So yeah, so stay tuned and see you after the intro. Okay, we're back. Now I've got this bit of scrap here. Now just kind of gotten that shape there for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a template of this section here down to the hole area right here, so then I can make that section there, and then I'll look at, I'll probably make that, and then I'll weld the lip on, possibly. Yeah, might do it that way. Or what I could do is make this section here first, down to the top of the hole, just a bit before the hole, and so then it comes back up along here, and I can roll that out a little, and then trim it down, make it fit, and then we could possibly make that curve section somehow and then bring it along, and that. So not too sure yet, but anyway, when I work that out I'll show you in a bit. So what we've done is we've cut that piece, and we've cut it to fit the shape, and we've heated it a bit just to keep it there so it can keep the shape, and once that's pulled down, I'll look at seeing how we're going to make that section. So yeah, back in a minute. So what I've done, I didn't bore you with doing the welding, but I tucked it up the top and tucked it on the bottom, and I put this part in, put a little bit of a rolled edge to find that out a little bit more, because it comes down into nothing down here. So I've gone along, I've welded the back up, and I'll clean that up, and I'll shape it, and then come back and show you again more after I've done that. So I've gotten that cleaned up, marked up, and all that sort of stuff. So when we cut that out, it will sit back a little bit further. And stuff. So then we've just got to make this section here and bring it into there, across to there, and then we can just tuck it in there. So yeah, I may need to do a little bit of tweaking on this corner here, but we will see how we go on the next video when I cut it out and tuck it in. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Till next time, stay safe and keep the rubber side down. Ciao for now.